it's me Anya, and here I am a year later doing Horror Stories Part 3 because, well, why not? And my friends wanted to see it, so here you go, guys, it's for you. So, I finally have a bunch of new horror stories we're gonna look at today, and I hope you all enjoy this video. So, let's just get started. First one is, as I woke up in the middle of the night, I heard Alexa speak. Okay, the security alarms have been disabled. So someone's trying to break into your house. That's creepy and scary because it's happening in the middle of the night. Of course, well, I hope you didn't die in the process. Yeah. My toddler pointed at a photo of my wife's late grandpa and said, I met him before I was born. So your kid remembers stuff before he was born, he or she was born. Nice. So reincarnation does exist, guys. It's been watching me for hours now. Sometimes I catch glimpses of its reflection on the computer screen, but I dare not turn around. Oh my god. I'm just like freaking out. Yep. Now I'm totally not looking behind me, of course. Sleep did not come to me easily that night in the cabin in the woods. For the portraits on the wall only portrayed the deformed, the decrepit, and the damned. Sleep has never come easily to me again, for when I woke, I found no portraits, only windows. I'm getting a chill in my spine right now. This is so creepy. Imagine you wake up and you realize that those weren't portraits, there were windows. So there were creepy people staring at you in the night. Oh my god, I swear to god, that is just the creepiest thing ever. This is a really interesting one. During dinner, she told me she knew my deep dark secret. As she chewed her burger, I knew she was bluffing. So, I am guessing his deep dark secret is that the meat in the burger was human meat. Yeah, that's definitely what this is about. And that's really gross in a way. I mean, nice. You do you. If you're a cannibal, be a cannibal. I had a dream I was being dragged into hell, burning and writhing in agony. I woke up with the doctor standing over me saying, phew, we lost you for a few minutes. So maybe you die, you probably go to hell. Point taken, point noted. This is really creepy. It's safe to come out now, sweetie, Dad said reassuringly, his blue eyes shining at me through the gap in the bedroom door. He's been saying that for hours, but it doesn't change the fact that my dad's eyes are green. So that person is not your dad. Remember your parents' eye colors, y'all. It may save your life one day. What's that loud banging noise? One of the 5-year-olds asked. Thunder, the teacher said nervously, locking the door. Excuse me, teacher, what the heck have you locked in that door? That's so creepy. Have you locked a kid inside that? Because, oh my god, this teacher needs to get fired right now. When I finally grabbed her in the darkness, I swam back to the surface. It never occurred to me how fast the ice could freeze over. So you basically are stuck underwater, under ice. Good luck. That's just so scary. Imagine you're just like going inside the water and you didn't know you cannot come back out. Oh my god, drowning is like one of the worst things. It's just so bad. I honestly don't know. I really feel bad for this guy. My mom says I need to start taking my schizophrenia medication again because it's unhealthy for me to suddenly stop taking them. But it's the only way I can keep her around. This is actually the saddest thing I've ever read. So his mom or her mom, whatever, is probably not there anymore. He just wants to keep her with her. That's really sweet. Okay, now it's time to cry instead of being scared. You stupid idiot, I cried as he tied me to the rails. Don't you know this line has been abandoned for years? Of course I know, he said, walking away. no one comes here at all. It's the worst thing because no one's gonna come here, so there's no chance that you're gonna get saved, which is yikes. I just feel bad for them, and I am really scared right now. Another example of why you should know like some traits and characteristics of your parents or children. My son told me that his mirror image was threatening to replace him in the real world. I thought he was imagining things until I saw my right-handed son using his left hand. Mirror image, of course, left hand. Right. Imagine if your mirror image is actually another person stuck at the other side of the mirror. Shower thought, y'all. Think about it. My friend's eyes are always red in the photos I take. It's strange since the flash on my camera hasn't worked in months. So perhaps your friend is a vampire? Nice. I mean, hey, you can just donate some blood to him. He'll be happy. Every pet I've owned since I was a kid is buried in my backyard. I've moved 8 times and they're always there. That is creepy. Okay, that's really creepy. But at the same time, you're always with your pets, technically. And that's kind of cute. Okay, I'm the only one who's thinking that's cute. Never mind. Yeah, I'm weird. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. These were definitely one of the better videos because I feel that the horror stories were really interesting to read. And I hope you enjoyed as well. Thank you so much and hope you have a great day, night, evening. Bye! The computer screen. Bruh.